welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vanessa. Today we are going to be unboxing and installing a ring fit light. This right here is the cheapest ring light you are going to find. It's a 10-inch ring light that comes in this little box right here, and it comes with a stand as well. The stand comes in this box right here, so basically you've got two boxes and that's the whole package. Let's start unboxing. As you can see, I'm getting excited in my little happy dance. If you know, you know. Anyways, this is the stand. It's basically a tripod on the cheap end, but it still works. This is it. Basic tripod, stand, adjustable. That's it. The pack comes with 3 tiny pieces as well that make up the phone holder, the little bits and pieces that hold your phone onto the ring light. This little tiny worm thingy, I have no idea what any of these things are called, because this ring light does not even come with a manual. So basically we're going to wing it, but as you know me, I got you, okay? So that's what everything looks like. It's 3 pieces, a stand, and a ring light. And now the good part. Let's start getting this bad boy out. It's a very light, and at first when you get it you think it doesn't even work. You think it's a toy or something. I mean, I was skeptical at first, but it actually works. Anyways, let's get it out and wrap that. This is what it looks like, and that's it. Just, oh, and by the way, it's plastic, FYI. So that's it. Let's untangle this bad boy. It comes with a USB port, so you will need to have an adapter. You can use your phone charger. So this is a switch. It's got an on button. You can dim the light, you can make it brighter, and you can make it warm. It has different settings. Anyways, let's get into the installation bit of this video. So you have your stand. Now what you have to do is to gently apply outward pressure to the stand, to the 3 little stands, and voila, you have a tripod. Okay, so now you're gonna grab one of those 3 little pieces and screw it onto your tripod. You look for the end that has the hole and then screw that bit onto your tripod. Make sure it's on tight. You do not want your phone or your ring light to fall and break. Okay, so this tripod is adjustable. You can make it long or short, any length that you want. What you have to do is unscrew those little knob thingies and pull it up, and make sure you tighten it to hold it in place at the length that you want, just like that. And now for the final bit, we are going to install the ring light onto the tripod stand. The ring light has a tiny little hole. Just look at that and screw it onto your stand. Just turn it round and round gently until it's tight enough. Basically turn it round and round until it stops moving, if that makes any sense at all. Just make sure it's tight enough and it does not fall. And now it's time to install a phone holder. Get the little worm thingy and screw that onto your ring light first. Now the ring light also comes with a tiny hole at the top. You'll see it. Just turn it round and round as well until it's not moving, basically until it's tight enough. Okay, so now we are going to grab our phone holder and unscrew the back. You see that round thing? We are going to unscrew that back bead, take it completely off the phone holder, and what you want to do is turn it around and place it onto the little worm thingy. Just watch. I don't know what any of these things are called, but anyway, you can see what I'm doing. So grab your phone holder and apply gentle pressure. It needs a bit of pressure because it's a bit hard. Just apply a bit of pressure and stick it into the worm thingy, and voila, we're done. And then now you are going to screw the little round thing onto the phone holder until it's nice and tight, just like that. And now we're just making sure everything is nice and tight, everything is in place. We don't want any accidents. And for the good part, grab your phone and just adjust it to portrait mode and just pull one side of the phone holder, just like that, and bam, your phone is in. Now, the best thing about the little worm thingy is that it's flexible. This means that you can turn your phone whichever way that you want. You can use your phone in portrait mode or in landscape mode, which is awesome. And obviously, if you're filming a video, you need to use your phone in landscape mode. No one wants to watch video in portrait mode. Anyways, grab your USB cable, and this is what it looks like. And grab your phone charger, your adapter, the little head thingy that you use to charge your phone, the little white one, and plug the USB cable in there, and then plug it into your power source or your socket or your extension cable, whatever. And now you want to grab your little switch thingy and turn your ring light on. 1, 2, 3, bam! There you go, guys. You have successfully installed and assembled your ring light. Now this ring light comes with 3 light settings. It's got the brown, the kind of blue light, and the white light. I love the white light more. You can also dim the light with this ring light or make it brighter, which I think is pretty awesome for a cheap ring light. Anywho, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Happy New Year! Oh my god, it's the first video of the year. It's been a long time since I last posted on here, but I'm glad to be back. Please like, share, and please subscribe. Thank you.